In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Razorpay as a payment method in your Wix account. This is a helpful guide for those of you looking to streamline the payment process for your online business, allowing your customers to check out with ease and security. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate over to your dashboard. This is your central hub, where all the magic happens. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This will make the whole process smoother as you progress. Now, look for the Settings option in your dashboard. It's usually located on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up a menu with various options for managing your site. From here, you'll want to locate the section labeled Accept Payments. This is crucial because we're aiming to enable a new payment option for your site. Next, you need to click on Add Payment Methods. At this point, you're on your way to offering customers more flexibility when they make purchases on your site. When you see the list of payment providers, you'll want to select Razorpay. You might be familiar with this option, but if you're not, Razorpay is a popular and trusted payment provider in various regions, known for its secure and efficient transactions. After selecting Razorpay, click Connect or Add to proceed. This is where you'll be prompted to either create a new Razorpay account or connect an existing one. If you're setting up a new account, just click Create an Account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the necessary steps to set up your Razorpay account. Once your application is approved, it's time to return to Wix to complete the connection. If you already have a Razorpay account, you'll want to click Connect Existing Account. This will prompt you to enter your API key ID and secret, which you can find within your Razorpay account. Treat this information with the utmost care and ensure you're entering it correctly. It's a good idea to double-check these details to avoid any potential hiccups later on. You might also be prompted to enter your site URL. Ensure this is accurate, reflecting exactly what your customers will see. After you've entered all the necessary information, click on Connect My Account to finalize the setup. At this point, make sure the Active on your checkout toggle is enabled, which ensures that Razorpay is ready to be used by your customers at checkout. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Razorpay into your Wix site, providing your customers with a seamless, secure payment option. Make sure everything is working by doing a test purchase, and if all goes well, you're ready to start accepting payment